Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use my split transition pack for Premiere Pro. You can download this split transition pack absolutely free from the link in the description section below. And let me tell you that this split transition pack is part of my biggest transition pack, which is called the Best Seamless Transition Pack. If you are interested, you can download this transition pack at a huge discount right now. The link of this is in the description section below. Best Seamless Transition Pack has zoom transition, spin transition, glitch transition, pan transitions, repeat transitions, split transition, and much more are coming soon. So all the popular seamless transitions are included in this pack. So you can get this transition pack at a huge discount if you buy it right now. So get it now. The link of this is in the description section below. So without further ado, let's get started. After downloading this split transition pack, you will get this zip file, something like this. So you need to extract it using any unzip software like WinRR or 7zip. I'm using the WinRR in this case. So you have to right click and select the extract to split transition pack, and then you will get these files inside it, 1, 2, 3, and this is the assets file. So one is the 1920 by 1080. If your resolution or your sequence is 1920 by 1080, use this project. And if you have the 2020 version of Premiere Pro, then use this transition. And if you have the 4K sequence, then use this transition. Okay, and this transition pack works with Adobe Premiere Pro 2018 and above version. Also, if you are using any other version, just open this file, the first one. Just open this project and that would launch your Premiere Pro. And if you have different version, it's going to show you a different warning that this project need to be converted into the project of your version of the Premiere Pro. So you can choose this location and choose to rename it if you don't want the default rename by the program itself, and then you can just press OK, and that's going to launch this transition pack, split transition pack. And then you need to go to the project panel, and over here you will see this split transitions. So it has 4 transition in this pack. So you can just see the preview of these transitions by just clicking on the icon view. So you might see the list view. So just click on the icon view to see the preview. Just hover your mouse and you will see this transition. So it's down, and this is split right, and this is split left, and this is split up. So these are the transition. So how to use it? So if you have any sequence, so suppose like this one, the first thing which you need to do, you need to disable this insert sequence. So it must be grayed out. It should not be blue or highlighted. All right, so that way this transition would work. And the second important thing which you need to do, and you don't need to forget this, that uncheck this source patching for video track 1. all right, and then move your playhead between the cut of 2 clips, and then just drag and drop any of these transition over it, just like this. And you can see now this cut is between these 2 clips. And now if you just play it, just see over here, see, this is how it works. And so now let me show you the second one. So just drag and drop, and let's take a look. Boom. All right, let's see. Boom. Now let's go for the next one, and let's drop this one. So if I show you the preview, so this one looks like this. All right, isn't this amazing? And now let's take this one and the fourth one. Let me drag this up and let's play it. Okay, so let me show you the full screen. Boom. And the last one. All right, so this is how you can use the split transition pack for Premiere Pro. This transition pack, again, let me tell you, is part of the best seamless transition pack, which has more than 100 plus transitions and elements. You can download that pack at a huge discount. Link of that is in the description section below. So thank you so much. I hope you found the split transition pack useful. You can download this pack absolutely free for limited time, and do download it and do give me the feedback about this transition pack. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.